Ladies and gentlemen, this is Ajit White और पिछले 6 महीने से मैं iPhone 15 यूज कर रहा हूँ. This video is kind of a summary review कि लास्ट 6 महीने में काफी चीजें मैंने एक्सपीरियंस की है just moving from Android to iOS. So let's just talk about it. This is iPhone 15 6 months review and we're starting with the design. So iPhone का डिजाइन में हर साल हमें कुछ चेंजेस देखने के लिए नहीं मिलते, लेकिन इस साल I would say it's the best feeling iPhone, if that makes sense. It has frosted glass on the back, metal unibody design. There's dynamic island, so अगर आप last year के iPhone 14 Pro से inspire होके you just wanted to get a phone, this has dynamic island for that. But here's the thing, dynamic island does not make a lot of difference because बहुत कम apps हैं अभी भी जो इस टेक्नोलॉजी को यूज़ करें या इसके सारे सर्विसेज को यूज़ कर सकते हैं. Even if you don't have the dynamic island, I don't think it makes a lot of difference. It's just that to refresh from the last 14 series, you have a 15 series with dynamic island. That's all. एक चीज़ है जो मुझे लास्ट 6 महीनों में बहुत ही अच्छी लगी and that is the iPhone display. It's a Super Retina panel as advertised by Apple. It's OLED. It's very bright. But at the same time, there's just this question कि even in 2024, why is Apple still using a 60 Hz panel? It feels very odd moving from a higher refresh rate phone to a 60 Hz panel, which is way overpriced. That is not a very good experience, right? Speaking of experience, let's talk about performance. The performance of this phone is as expected. It's an iPhone. It's a 16 from the last year. So कुछ भी ऐसा problem नहीं है कि आपको आप खोलने में दिक्कत होगी या you'll have issue loading multiple apps. It all runs very smoothly. Battery life is also decent. मैं अपना phone बहुत heavily use नहीं करता हूँ. I mostly use it for social media, and I am able to get about 1 day complete with 80% limit. हाँ, शुरुआत में कुछ heating problems आई थी. But since then Apple has pushed a lot of software updates जिन्होंने इस problem को काफी हद तक address किया है. Now if you go out in the sun and use this phone for a long time, this tends to heat up but not as much as it would in the starting. So that's a plus point. Now let's talk about the main feature जिसके लिए maximum लोग at least India में iPhone खरीदते हैं, and that is the iPhone camera. So over the last 6 months, I have used this camera extensively. To be honest, the photos are really consistent. Like आप कभी भी ऐसा नहीं सोचो कि इस situation में the photos are bad, इस situation में the photos are good. It just balances out both the extremes and gives you a very natural looking photos. The colors are great, the dynamic range is great, even the saturation is just on point. This just keeps everything balanced and it gives you more natural looking photo. So iPhone 15 has two cameras. The first is a 48 megapixel main sensor and the second is a 12 megapixel ultra wide sensor. One big difference moving from the 14 generation to the 15 generation is कि इस बार जो photos है they bin down to 24 megapixels. That is, if you shoot in 48 megapixels, it will bin down to 24 megapixels instead of 12 megapixels. That means you have more pixels to work with, and that means you have a higher resolution photo with less noise. Portraits, extremely on point. The depth separation between the object and the background is just phenomenal and the best I have ever used. All I'm saying is photos are really good, but videos, that is something I have never seen on a phone. Let me explain. There's something about the iPhone videos that just separates it from a lot of the competition out there. You can shoot up to 4K in 60 Hz, and there are different modes that you can shoot also in. For example, action mode. The best stabilization I have ever seen on a phone is because of the action mode. This is the microphone on iPhone 15 and we're shooting in 2.8K, 30 frames per second. So let me know how it sounds. एंड इट्स जस्ट सो स्मूथ कि ऐसा लगता है कि आप कोई गिम्बल लेके जा रहे हो, बट इट्स just the phone, and it's incredible how Apple is doing this. Cinematic mode is something like portrait mode video. ये कुछ नया नहीं है, ये काफी Android phones में अभी भी है. Here's the thing, with cinematic mode you cannot use the action mode together. I wish कि इन दोनों चीजों को साथ में यूज किया जा सके, बट फॉर नाउ दैट्स द थिंग. अगर आपको आईफोन का वीडियो कैपेबिलिटी देखना है, सो दिस वीडियो इज शॉट on the iPhone 15. Like this is the iPhone 15 I'm shooting on. The only nitpick that I have is that कि रात में whenever you're shooting a video, there are these flares coming into the picture, and I am not a big fan of that, but it seems like iPhone has had that problem from the very start, और Apple ने अभी तक इसे ठीक नहीं किया. Apart from camera, the biggest change for me especially is the jump from Android to iOS. कुछ चीजें हैं जो iOS में काफी refined हैं, लेकिन कुछ चीजें हैं at the same time which do not make sense. For example, inbuilt QR scanner. You don't need to have a separate app. You just open and scan, and that's the QR done. कोई अलग third party app की जरूरत नहीं है. Great. Second, the copy text from a photo. So useful. ऐसा काफी बार हुआ है कि मैंने किसी चीज का फोटो लिया हो and I just want the text to be out of that photo. I can just simply tap a button and get that done. Great. Third, spotlight search. This is something that is so underrated on iPhone. मैंने काफी लोगों को देखा है कि वो इसे यूज नहीं करते हैं. But I have a Mac and I never go to the applications tab or never search anything else. I just use Spotlight on Mac and I just use the same Spotlight on iPhone. और अगर आपके पास एक Mac है, then you are in great luck. I love universal clipboard. Like I can copy anything from my phone और मैं अपने Mac पे जाके उसे पेस्ट कर सकता हूँ. That is great. iOS is also dumb at the same time. जैसे कि settings app. Never have I ever seen such a long list of settings. And सबसे irritating बात इसमें है कि सारे apps का settings is inside the settings app, which I get that it's a good for UX, but it's really not. Like अगर मैं कैमरा खोलता हूँ and I want to change the settings of the camera, let's say I want to shoot in a different format, you cannot do that here. You have to go in the settings app, search for camera, and then change those settings, which is so annoying. और भी काफी चीजें हैं, जैसे there's no T9 dialing. It does not make sense to have those features not present on a 2024 phone, जबकि Android counterparts ये काफी सदियों से करते आ रहे हैं. Makes really no sense. So 6 months बाद, do I still recommend this phone to you? Yes, it's a great phone. Like if you're trying to get into the iPhone world, I think ये सबसे अच्छा entry point है. Just because a lot of things have changed from the last phone. It has Type-C now, it has Dynamic Island, it's a faster chip than the last year, it has better camera than the last year. But if you already have 13 or if you have 14, it does not make any sense to move to this phone. That's all for the last 6 months I've been using this phone. मैं काफी satisfied हूँ, but कुछ चीजें हैं जो मुझे बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं आती हैं. And I hope if you can get over those things and you want to enter the iPhone world, this iPhone 15 could be a great starting point. That's it for this video. I hope कि मैं आगे भी वीडियो बनाता रहूँ. काफ़ी चीज़ें चैनल पे चेंज होने वाली हैं, so I'm really excited for that. There are new videos that I have in the pipeline. मैं काम कर रहा हूँ. Let's just see when those come up. Thanks for watching. If you like this, you can always like and subscribe and tell me if you are going to purchase the iPhone 15 even after 6 months. Thank you so much. This is AG Dubai.